Hello and welcome to Full of Food. Bit of a different video today. I'm going to answer a question. Eggs in the air fryer, is it worth it? You might have seen this doing the rounds on social media. Everyone's soft boiling their eggs using their air fryer, and I'm going to show you what really happens and help you decide whether it's actually worth it. So really simply, you're just going to grab some lovely eggs, the best you can afford. Get some salt and pepper. I've got some golden yolk ones here. I just find that they taste and look pretty amazing, and these are available at all supermarkets. If you've got fresh eggs nearby, do that too. And then we're going to grab our air fryer, and then we're just going to pop a couple in. So I'm just going to do 3 here. So just pop those into the air fryer. You don't need anything, water, oil, anything, and you're just going to put them in for exactly 7 minutes for a medium egg. So a bit larger egg, you'd do 8, a bit smaller, you'd do 6. Okay, as they're almost done, grab some ice, pop it in a bowl and top it up with a little bit of water. And the trick here is, once they're done, we're going to put it into this ice bath here. And that just helps cool it down and slow down the cooking process a little bit. So they're all done. And here we can see what's happened. So we've got an exploding one and we've got 2 that look relatively normal. So let's pop those 2 into the iced water for 3 minutes. Set your timer on this one if you want that lovely soft egg in the middle. So there you can see that slightly exploded one. Does happen. You can use that in a nice mayo sandwich. So 3 minutes there in the ice bath. Make sure you cover your eggs right. There we go, so the water's covering them completely. Okay, so 3 minutes is up. Let's take a look at what's happened. So give them a little tap. Just going to take the shells off. Now the first thing you'll notice is these are not easy to peel. These eggs I boiled in water the morning before, and the shell just absolutely slips off, and this is one of the problems of doing it in your air fryer. They say it saves you time, but I think it takes me more time to peel it. I've even tried rolling it on the board, it doesn't help, than it does actually cooking it in water. And I don't know if you can see those little brown spots on there as well. That sort of burns on the bottom of the air fryer. So this first one turned out pretty well. I mean, to be fair, I'd love that one on my toast. Like I said, probably not worth the peeling, but it's turned out really, really well. So the outside is a little bit broken, but you can see that beautiful runny yolk in the middle there and the perfectly cooked white. So this was the second one that I attempted to peel. Similar problem again. That sort of layer that you normally have under a shell doesn't quite come away easily. It seems to attach more to the egg or to the shell. So the problem with this one was it was all messed up. So because we'd battered it a little bit during the peeling process, it doesn't quite look as good. So out of the 3, only one actually looked sort of Instagram worthy, I'd say. The rest were a little bit messy. Now, it doesn't matter if you're going to eat these yourself, it's absolutely fine. As I said, I think you're probably quicker off doing it in a pan of water, setting the timer, whacking it under a cold tap, and then just peeling the shell off really quickly. So there you have it. One that was exploded, could use that in a sandwich. One that doesn't look nice but will taste nice, and one that was okay. One's missing because my husband ate it.